Atlas VPN versus Surfshark, which VPN should you use? Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this video, we will compare the two most popular VPN services, which is Atlas VPN and Surfshark. And to get Atlas VPN or Surfshark, you can use the link in the description, and by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But before that, if you don't know Atlas VPN, it is a virtual private network or VPN service designed to provide users with enhanced online privacy, security, and freedom, in which it works by encrypting users' internet traffic and routing it through remote servers, thereby masking their IP addresses and protecting their online activities from prying eyes. And aside from that, Atlas VPN offers a range of features including military-grade encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and access to global networks of servers, allowing users to bypass geo restrictions and access content from around the world. On the other hand, Surfshark is a virtual private network as well, which is VPN service that aims to provide users with enhanced online privacy, security, and freedom. Similar to other VPN services, Surfshark encrypts users' internet traffic and routes it through remote servers, effectively masking their IP addresses and protecting their online activities from potential threats such as hackers, ISPs, and government surveillance. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Atlas VPN and Surfshark VPN. Let's start by knowing the pricing and refunds comparison, in which, as you can see on this table, Atlas VPN has a monthly price amounting to $11.99 and annual fee or annual price amounting to $49.21, while the longest plan price amounting to $59.28 for 3 years plus 6 months free. And it also offers money-back guarantee for 30 days, while Surfshark offers a monthly price of $10.99 with annual price amounting to $47.88 and longest plan price of $54.96 for 2 years plus 2 months free. And it also offers money-back guarantee for 30 days. Now moving on to the pros and cons of both platforms, starting to Atlas VPN pros. Its advantage is that there is a freemium version even though features are limited, and Atlas VPN allows for unlimited simultaneous connections, excellent security and privacy courtesy of AES 256-bit encryption and a no-log policy, and good mix of security extras including Safe Swap, Multi-Hop Plus, and Safe Browse. However, the cons or disadvantage of using Atlas VPN is that it has a smaller server network than Surfshark, which is 1,000 plus servers in 42 countries, and significant slowdowns on distant servers, no dedicated IP addresses or obfuscation features, and limited compatibility with streaming services. Now moving on to the pros and cons of using Surfshark is that, starting to its pros, it has a larger server network than Atlas VPN, which is 3,200 plus servers in 100 countries. It also offers very fast speeds on nearby servers and fast on distant servers, and more extra features than Atlas VPN, such as dedicated IP addresses, a smart DNS, and obfuscation. And it is also better for gaming and unblocking streaming services. While the cons of using Surfshark is that no premium version, only 30-day money-back guarantee, and some servers may be overcrowded or unreliable, and the kill switch is not available on iOS devices. Plus, multi-hop feature may be reduced to speed and performance. Now moving on to its feature comparison, starting to feature of Atlas VPN. It offers premium service, meaning you can use it for free with limitations or upgrade to a premium plan for benefits. And you can enjoy the Safe Swap servers feature, which allows you to browse the internet from IP addresses simultaneously, ensuring online anonymity. And the WireGuard protocol is supported by Atlas VPN. It is known for its speed and strong security measures through cryptography. With the Data Breach Monitor feature, Atlas VPN scans the web for any leaks of your information and promptly notifies you if any are detected. And to ensure your privacy, the Network Kill Switch feature blocks all internet traffic in case your VPN connection drops, effectively preventing any IP or DNS leaks. With servers in 42 countries, Atlas VPN enables you to access geo-restricted content and websites from various regions across the globe. Now moving on to Surfshark features. It's highly quality VPN service that comes with 30-day money-back guarantee and offers subscription plans to meet your needs. Surfshark supports secure VPN protocols like WireGuard, OpenVPN, and IKE v2 or IPsec, all of which cryptography methods. With over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, Surfshark allows you to access geo-restricted content from around the world. And you can confidently stream services like Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and Peacock using Surfshark, as it can unblock them effortlessly. And additionally, it helps you to bypass network restrictions and censorship through no borders mode. And Surfshark allows you to torrent on any server while providing protection against ads, malware threats, and annoying cookie pop-ups with its integrated ad blocker, malware blocker, and cookie pop-up blocker. Now moving on to security and privacy comparison. In terms of encryption feature, Atlas VPN offer AES 256 encryption, while Surfshark VPN offer AES 256 GCM encryption. And in terms of audit policy, only Surfshark has an independent security audits conducted, while in terms of dedicated IP address, only Surfshark VPN has dedicated IP servers for an additional fee. While in terms of P2P support, Atlas VPN has a P2P support on selected servers, while Surfshark has most on 8 servers. And aside from that, in terms of server logging policy feature, Atlas VPN has 0 logs policy, while Surfshark has strict no logs policy. And in terms of speed and performance feature, Atlas VPN has reliable performance and decent speed, while Surfshark VPN has generally fast speeds with good performance. And in terms of additional features, Atlas VPN has a built-in ad blocker, while Surfshark has a multi-hub feature, clean web, ad blocker, whitelister, and many more. While in terms of their server security, Atlas VPN and Surfshark has both AES 256 encryption. Now moving on to server network comparison. In terms of number of servers, Atlas VPN has 700 plus servers in 40 plus countries, while Surfshark VPN has 3,200 plus servers in 65 plus countries. And in terms of server distribution, Atlas VPN is geographically spread out for global coverage, while Surfshark VPN is wide distribution for global accessibility. And in terms of dedicated IP servers, only Surfshark VPN has dedicated IP servers for an additional fee, while both platform has unlimited server switching. But the question is, who should choose Atlas VPN? Well, Atlas VPN is an option for people who want to secure virtual private network or VPN service, in which it caters to a range of users from internet surfers to professionals who need extra online security and privacy. And one of its standout features is its commitment to protecting your privacy, and they have policy of not keeping any logs, ensuring that your online activities are kept anonymous and untraceable. Additionally, Atlas VPN uses encryption protocols to keep your data safe from potential threats like hacker, internet service providers, and government surveillance. Whether you're using Wi-Fi networks, streaming content blocked by restrictions, or simply browsing the internet, Atlas VPN offers an effortless and secure online experience. With its user interface and reliable performance, it's a choice for anyone who wants to enhance their digital privacy and security without sacrificing speed or usability. But what about Surfshark? Who should choose Surfshark VPN? Well, Surfshark VPN is a solution that caters to a range of users, making it an appealing choice for various preferences and scenarios, in which it stands out due to its pricing plans without compromising on quality or performance, making it a perfect for those who prioritize affordability without sacrificing value. Moreover, Surfshark VPN is highly favored among streaming enthusiasts and international travelers, as it allows bypassing geo restrictions and accessing content effortlessly. Additionally, for individuals concerned about privacy and security, Surfshark offers encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and useful features like clean web that block ads, trackers, and malware. Whether you're a nomad, worker, or simply someone who values freedom and security on the internet, Surfshark VPN provides a reliable and user-friendly solution to protect your online activities across multiple devices. Now, in conclusion, when comparing Atlas VPN and Surfshark, it becomes clear that there are nuanced distinctions catering to user preferences and priorities in the realm of private networks. But both services offer features like encryption protocols, extensive server networks, and user-friendly interfaces. And what set Atlas VPN apart is its planned and simplified user experience, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious users or those seeking simplicity. On the other hand, Surfshark boasts a range of advanced security features such as multi-hub connections and an ad blocking capabilities, and this appeals individuals with focus on security or those with complex privacy needs. So both VPNs offer solutions in the market empowering users to safeguard their online privacy and security. Therefore, users must carefully assess the requirements and preferences to determine which VPN aligns best with their needs and priorities. So that is just a comparison review between Atlas VPN and Surfshark. Thank you.